Hi, I was going to try to walk you through some of the things that I've updated for our coming assignments. Thought this might be one of the easier ways to do it. So if you are logged into Teams on a computer or a laptop, your screen is going to look something like this. Over here is our team, and you have our different channels. In the general channel is where you need most of the things. I have a new post about getting your new packet and information about the new assignments and how they're going to roll out. And some documents down here that you can click on. You can also find documents in the files. All the class materials are always there. The printable district packets, if you can't get a packet or you have access to printing and you want to print out the information, it's here. The checklists of all the assignments are here. The pacing suggestions, right? And then here's some information on how to turn in assignments and how to get completed work to me if you needed to look back at that. Our class notebook, this is what connects us to OneNote, and this is where sometimes we have some headaches, but hopefully it's getting better. On OneNote, you can complete your assignments, or you can look at the information that I have there. So if you go in to the arrow, then over here you're not going to have the list of all the children, you're going to have only you. And when you click on there, then you're going to see reading, homeroom, and math. Right now we should just have assignments in reading and math, and all the old stuff that we did is in there, and then the new stuff will be coming as well, right? So you can work in here, you can open this in the browser, you can open it in the app, right? And many of you have done that and prefer to do it that way. And there's some helpful things in here, like the Helping Our Mouse Friend link. Or we did that in school and the kids like to do that. The Jeannie and Joey Math on the Go video. We did that in school and the kids like to do it. And you can also access the Math on the Go video by scanning this QR code for any of the math assignments. All right, so this is all in the class notebook, right? And where you'll find the assignments that I'm sending. The main place to get your assignments is through assignments, right? Yours is going to look a little bit different than this, but you can get the idea of where your assignments are. This is where I'm returning things to you, and this is where I'm asking you to turn things in. If it's returned, that's as good as it gets. I can't do anything else other than return assignments. So we're asking you to turn them in, and then I put feedback and I return it to you. You read the feedback. If there's something you can change or want to change, you do. If everything is good, you just ignore it and go on to the next assignment. I have a place for grades. I also have a link to Clever. Clever is very helpful, especially if you have a desktop or a laptop, because you can have your student log in right there, and they have access not only to Teams, which we're already on, but they have access to iRead, Lelio, Think Central, which has great math practice on there, especially with the numbers, Edmentum for math practice, right? And so this is another place they can go in to log into Clever. You can just log into Clever from the district site as well. The daily check-ins, this is where I've been putting the little videos, and I'm giving you a little message each day, and then I'm giving us some review and some practice like we would do at school. Okay? Insights you shouldn't have, and then more things there. So you are going to focus on that. Over here, general questions channel, right? If you have some questions, you can post them on here. Other families might be able to help. Group share fun channel. We were having some fun with this last week, where we were posting some pictures of some of the fun things in our life, right? We have the letters, right? And these are the J songs. And up here, you can click on the J's, and then you have the video. It'll play right here, and then you can look at the next one, and the next one, and the next one to help either pass some time or to practice. Right? The students enjoy a lot of these videos. So there's songs for J, there's songs for W, there's songs for X. There's math resources. In the math resources, there's files, just like in the general channel, but these are only the math, right? So if you want to look up any of the links to our mouse friend videos or Jeannie and Joey, or you want to look at any of the documents, they're here. Then I also did this so that you didn't have to come in here. I put Jeannie and Joey up here. Here's the link. It's going to pop up, and then you could go to whatever lesson it is you want and watch these. Okay? And here are the other video links for our mouse friend. And again, we did these in school, and the kids enjoyed them, and I was trying to share because it's a nice little thing to share. Then we have our reading resources. Okay? There's files. Right? Here's where the reading documents are. Here's where a list of the sight words that are taught so far is located. You have ABC practice, and these are videos that just deal with the alphabet. So these are ones you'll find in the daily check-in, but if you just wanted to read over them or just practice these, your kids can click on these anytime. Same thing for sight word practice. These are the videos that you're going to find in the daily check-in, but if they wanted to practice them or just look at those, they could. And then we have here the Tiny Seed, which is the current book we're on, and that is in there for you to use. So today, Monday will be the last day we're looking at the Tiny Seed for now, and so I can put the new document up here for the next text. Then we have new sight words coming. So we have a page that you can look at for the sight word said, and there are 3 videos here, or you can click here. There are 3 videos for the sight word was, and 3 videos for the sight word what. Okay? In case you were worried, the other things are all still here. They're just hidden in a My page, and if you don't see some of these things on your page, they could be hidden as well, and you can just click on them and you can show what you want. So if you needed to practice these other videos, right, or you needed to just talk to Miss Newport, these are things that you could pull out. Okay? And once again, if anything's hidden here that I see but you can't see, you can click on the hidden channels and it's probably in there. Okay? All right, hopefully that's helpful. I was just trying to give a little review and show how I've been organizing things, because I think that's one of the best benefits of being able to be on Teams, is that you are able to access these resources, and it can help you get organized, and it help you keep in communication with what our class is doing. Okay, thank you.